Welcome to the channel, and in this video we will see how we can write a simple C program to perform the addition operation on two numbers entered by the user. So here what I have done is I have included the stdio.h header file to this program so that we can perform the basic input-output functionality, and then we have the main function, which is the entry point of our program. Now in this program what we do is we will ask the user to enter two numbers, we will read the values entered by the user, and then we will perform the addition operation, and then we will display the result. Here user will not enter which operation to perform. This program will perform the addition operation only. So in order to construct this program, what we have to do is first we have to declare the variables that we need, and after that we need to read the numbers from the user. After that we will perform the addition operation, and after that we will display the result. So here first we will declare the variables that we need. In this program we need a couple of variables for storing the numbers entered by the user. So here I'm going to take integer type, and I'm going to call the variables as num1 and num2 for storing the two numbers entered by the user. And after that we need another variable for storing the result of the addition operation performed on these two numbers. So we will call that variable as result. Now the next thing that we do is we will ask the user to enter two numbers and we will read them. We will read the numbers one by one. I'm going to use the printf function to display a message to the user. Here I will say enter number 1. After seeing this message, the user will enter a number. We need to read that number, and for that we can use the scanf function. And here this program works on integer numbers, so we will use the format specifier as %d, and after that we need to specify the address of the variable where we want to store the value. We want to store the value in this num1 variable, so it will be ampersand symbol and num1. This ampersand symbol or and symbol will provide the address of a variable. Now similarly we can read the second number from the user. So I will copy this code and paste it here. I will say enter number 2. We will read the number and store it in the num2 variable. Okay, so now we have the numbers that the user has entered. So we can perform the addition operation. So it will be num1 and after that plus num2, and we will get a result. We will store that in this result variable. So it will be result equal to num1 plus num2. Okay. Now the last thing that we have to do is we have to display the result to the screen. So we can use the printf function, and here I will format the output in such a way that it will display number 1 plus number 2 equal to result. So here I will write %d plus %d equal to %d. Here we need to provide the values for these placeholders. So the first placeholder will get num1 variables value. The second placeholder will get num2 variables value, and the last placeholder will get the result variables value. Okay, that's it. Now we have written the program. Let's run this. Enter number 1. I will enter 25. Hit the enter button. Enter number 2. I will enter 75. After that hit the enter button. It will display 25 plus 75 is equal to 100. So here this is a very simple program. Now here with this code I want you to experiment. For example, I want you to perform different operations, and also I want you to add one more number to the equation. For example, here the addition operation is performed on two numbers. I want you to do it for more than two numbers, and also I want you to perform one more modification, and that is I want you guys to get rid of this result variable. Here this result variable is not actually needed. I want you to remove this result variable and modify this program. while making the modifications, if you get any error, then post your code in the comment section. I'll try to help. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later in the next video.